Lisa. Open up. We're at a club.
I'm fine.
No, come on.
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay doing that?
Well, I don't know. What do you want me to do?
I don't know. You just seem stiff.
So you want me to like really loosen up? Whee! This is fun.
She's weird. I didn't come here with her. I swear.